Milwaukee packout wall and floor mount. So one is on this wall, screws, four or five screws, because there is no wall. There is different screws can be used here, and this wall, because it's full wall, each one of them is used. Beautiful. Now let's try to use them. There's a Milwaukee packout organizers, fucking easy, doesn't take too much space. Press right here, take it out, double it up. Very easy to take it out, double it up right here. Okay, there's the big one, goes onto here. Nice. There's a button, removable. It's not going anywhere. It's so solid in there, locks in, not going to come out. Press it, remove it, and go on top of it. This one too, and smaller ones right here, triple layers, not going anywhere. Beautiful. Wall mount, floor mount, either way. We use it on a wall, on a work trailer. Very nice. There you go. Got it here, cord organizer clip and a handle, and a really nice handle right here. Fits my hand. Push it this way and open it. I have right here a really thick cord. Lock it in, grab it, and now it's really easy to carry it. I like it, and store it. There's a hanging hole, and I have two 2x4 hooks. It goes right in it, and it's going to be very well organized in my tool wall garage. When I need it, I could just take off the whole thing. 12 gauge wire, 100 feet, and looks like it can hold a lot more. Very nice and durable. Johnson post and pipe level. So it has 1, 2, 3 levels. Okay, put it down, leveled, leveled, almost perfect. Maybe a little bit to the side, so is this one. Oh wow, this goes around and hooks up. Don't have to hold it, and it's just once we're setting it up, we can hold it and level it. Wow, this is so cool. Fits so perfect. Okay, to take it off, one-handed, easy. That's cool. One-handed, in case we have one hand is busy. Nice. One-handed off. Wow, very friendly to use. Air shim inflatable dry bar and leveling tool, 300 pounds, contractor grade. Okay, there's windows, a whole bunch of different pictures, what it can be used for, a little pump. There's some information in the back. Simple, as big as my hand. This one can fit my hand pretty easy. I have big hands. Okay, let's try to lift up some of this wood. Like, let's say we shim it into it. Just pump it, and it's lifting up. Wow, so that way we can level something.
So it's over 1.5 inches easily.
Wow. Okay, keep on going. How far can you go? This is obviously another 300 pounds, but it can do it easy. Easy. And slide it out. Wow, that's a cool little tool. DeWalt right angle drill attachment. First of all, it goes this way. Go any angle. Then this push forward. Then this goes into here. Locks in. Then we have a longer attachment sideways and very sharp angle. Twist it. Then this one, shorter attachment. Then short with the handle. That's cool. So it goes on a drill this way. For example. Wow, that's fast. Once it's bite into it, that's cool. Definitely useful. What about take it out? Wow. It's the most power. Nice. Quick read 25 feet measuring tape. There's a nice clip, stopper. Nice. Okay. Whoa. It goes this way. So big numbers in inches. There's feet.
Measure this.
We have 15 inches almost. Easy to read. Wow.
Like 3/4. Or you can do decimal numeric. So
okay. Wow, that's cool. Also, it has a really nice bowed tape. Let's see how far can we extend it before it breaks. Okay, we're at 50 inches, 5 feet. Wow, it's holding up. Wow, that is cool. Kinda gotta go slower. 9 feet. It haven't broken in. Okay, 9 feet. 9 feet before it have broken. That is awesome. Okay, let's try to do this one more time. Let's see if I can. Yeah, about 9 feet it breaks in from its own weight. But that's amazing. Without have to like hold it, worried about it break apart. Very strong. 200 psi tire pressure inflator gauge by Rhino USA. High accuracy pressure gauge on units. Okay, takes AAA batteries.
PSI, KPA, bar.
Mm-hmm.
I don't know what that is, but that's an additional, and then back to PSI.
Okay, nice. Okay, let's tie it on. Let's do assembling.
Mm-hmm.
Comes with parts and the tape, and plugs in like a little adapter for the compressor. Okay, this goes in. 35 psi. Press it on. Wow. Why is it 100 psi? Okay, it's kind of like because it's pressure. 46, 41. Wow, that's fast. Perfect. 16 foot 5 meters tape measure and 135 feet laser measure. Tape measure have a magnet, lock. Ooh, it's a nice tight lock. Okay, lock it. Slow comes out halfway. That's good. And full lock. So it does not come out. Beautiful. Okay, nice clip. Anti-slip, anti-shock, chargers, USB-C, monitor. Okay, let's turn it on and measure some stuff. Color display, beautiful display. Set it down to the wall. Okay. Oh, the laser is on this side. The tape is on this side. Function. There's different type of settings. Okay. Units. Okay, meters. Person hold. Feet. Person hold. Inches. Okay, let's set it down and measure it to the wall. Okay, 41.9 inches. There's a dot and there's a whole bunch of different functions. Square, this kind, triangular. Wow, that is whole unique thing in itself. I like it.